Holy crap.
Is it hard?
I got it. Thanks for sharing.
Oh my gosh.
Well, you're supposed to follow it.
You can't.
You gotta hit the dot.
Kristen, look.
What?
Look at me.
I'm playing a game. I'm playing Tiny Tower.
I'm talking about what he's doing. Is something scary gonna come out of the dot?
No, you just hit the dot. It's just a frustrating game.
Oh, well, that's right up his alley then. Is it like a bomb?
I don't know. I never hit the dot. I can't do it.
You never hit the dot?
Oh my god.
Don't keep clicking
Thank
it.
you.